Welcome to this comprehensive tutorial on creating stunning animated page transitions in Vue 3 using Vue Router and JavaScript. In today's digital age, providing a seamless user experience is more crucial than ever. Animated transitions not only enhance the visual appeal of your application, but also improve navigation flow and user engagement. In this video, we'll explore how Vue 3, with its powerful reactivity and composition API, combined with Vue Router, can be leveraged to achieve visually appealing page transitions. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting, this tutorial will equip you with the knowledge to implement these techniques in your projects. Let's delve into the theory behind animated page transitions. At the core, we're utilizing Vue 3, a progressive JavaScript framework known for its ease of integration and flexibility. Vue Router is essential for navigation, allowing users to switch between different views or components smoothly. Think of transitions as the stylistic bridge between these views, essentially the animations that occur when moving from one page to another. We'll use JavaScript to control the timing and triggering of these animations, while CSS will handle the visual aspects, defining how these transitions appear. By strategically combining these technologies, we're able to create an intuitive and engaging user experience that not only captures attention, but also enhances usability. Imagine a book where each chapter flows seamlessly into the next, maintaining the reader's engagement. That's the kind of experience we're aiming to emulate in web applications. Now, let's look at a practical code example to see these concepts in action. We'll be focusing on the main Vue component where the transition is implemented. Here, we define a simple fade transition using Vue's transition component, which is part of our app.vue file. This transition component wraps our router view, the placeholder component that displays the active routes component. By setting the transition name to fade and defining the CSS for the entering and leaving states, we create a smooth fade effect when navigating between pages. Let's walk through what happens when we interact with our application. Initially, you land on the home page, where you are greeted with a welcome message. By clicking the link to the About page, the transition begins. The current content fades out, and the About page content fades in, creating a smooth visual transition. This not only provides feedback that a change is happening, but also maintains user engagement. Navigating back to the home page, you'll notice the same seamless transition effect, reinforcing a consistent user experience throughout the application. In conclusion, we've covered how to effectively implement animated page transitions in Vue 3 using Vue Router and JavaScript. By combining the reactivity of Vue, the routing capabilities of Vue Router, and the visual power of CSS animations, you can create a web application that stands out in terms of user experience and engagement. Remember, the key to successful animations is ensuring they enhance, rather than hinder, the user's journey through your app. As you continue to experiment and refine your animations, keep in mind the balance between aesthetics and performance. Thank you for joining us in this tutorial, and I encourage you to apply these techniques to your projects to create truly captivating user experiences.